Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to reverse a list using a helper column. Previous to this video, I was also doing the reverse list and using the functions index and count A. But this time I'm gonna be using the count A and row functions and using the helper column. I got the office paraphernalia like the business cards, push pins, calculator, tape dispenser, hole punch, etc. And I'm gonna reverse this list of this office paraphernalia, and I'm gonna go to the bottom. So at the bottom, remember this, I got the pens as the last word. This one will go to the top later. Pencils, highlighter, markers. So remember this. So I'm going back to the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the count A again and the row, and okay, equal sign, then the count A, then open parenthesis, then I'm gonna write the double A. Okay, so that I will cover all the rest of the column all the way to the bottom. If ever my list will be longer one, so I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna include a minus sign. Then I'm gonna use the row function as I've said, and open parenthesis, then the cell A3, and I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna add the plus sign, and I'm gonna add the 1. Then I got 21 because this list is the total count of this list is 21. That's why it's 21 here. So I'm gonna copy it down. So the last one will be number 1 for the pens. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover all this, select all this A and B column. Then I'm gonna go to the data and the sort function here, icon rather, and then I'm gonna use this helper. Then okay, that's it, smallest to largest, then click OK. So there you have it. You get the pens, pencil, highlighters, markers, and the one at the bottom is the business cards, push pins, calculator, tape dispenser. Remember that? So if you want this to go back, okay, just do it all over again. Okay, again you go to the sort icon, then helper, that's okay, smallest to largest, that's also okay, and click OK. So the business cards, push pins, calculator, tape dispensers goes back to the top of the list of the office paraphernalia. So that's how you do it. This is the second method that I show you. The first one was the index and count A functions that I used. So that's it for today. Until the next one, and thank you for watching.